Hello YouTube. Today I will show you how to control your PC from Android or iPhone devices. Open Google Chrome and search for Chrome Remote Desktop. Install it from Chrome Web Store. Open Chrome Remote Desktop by click on Apps icon in top of your browser. It will ask you permission to use Google account. Make sure you use same Google account in your mobile device. I have already done this. Click on My Computers and then click on Enable Remote Connections. And then enter your custom PIN. Now it's time to set up your mobile device. I am using Android device, but all steps are also same to iOS devices. Open Google Play Store and search for Chrome Remote Desktop. Install and open Chrome Remote Desktop on Android. Now log in with same account which you used in your PC. Choose your computer and enter your PIN. Now you can control your PC from your phone. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.